Right, well, here we are. We're going to continue our discussion about the electronic structure of atoms by answering the question, identify the atom that has each ground state electron configuration. Our first configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p4. So 3p4. So 1s2 would bring us to helium. 2s2 would bring us to beryllium. 2p6 brings us to neon. 3s2 brings us to magnesium. And 3p4 brings us to aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur. So we are at the element with atomic number 16. So the answer to part A is sulfur. And everywhere except for the United States, we spell it LPHUR. And in the United States, we spell it SULFUR. This has the atomic number of 16 as we checked out, so we'll check our answer by looking at the number of electrons here. We have 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 6 is 10, plus 2 is 12, plus 4 is 16. So sulfur is indeed the element with this particular configuration. Our second configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. So if we go back to the periodic table, we'll find 1s2, 2s2, 2p1, 2, 3, 4 brings us to oxygen. Now we'll find that 2p4 brings us to the element right above 3p4. And of course 4p4 would be selenium. And all of these have reasonably similar electronic properties because the outer or valence shell has the same general configuration, ending with something p4. But going back to answering this question, oxygen is the one that ends with 2p4, so we'll write down that answer right here. The answer to part B is oxygen, and oxygen has an atomic number of 8. So we'll check our answer by looking and adding 2 electrons plus 2 is 4, plus 4 is 8. So we go and find that answer also to be correct. Once again, I hope that this has been helpful to you. I look forward to seeing you again at the next video.